So, yeah. Rest is still. So, basically, that's how I do my thing. That's it. First. Sometimes else. Once again. It's in the bone. Sometimes we do it just like that. So as I said, guys, that's the process.